Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Java classes. What is a Java class? In Java, classes are blueprints for objects. Classes define the properties and behavior that the objects created from the class will have. In Java, an object is an instance of a class and is a fundamental building block of object-oriented programming. Object encapsulates data and behavior, allowing you to model real-world entities in your code. Objects are created from classes which serve as blueprints defining the structure and behavior of the objects. Let's see an example of Java class. Here we have a class named car which has two fields, string model, int year. We have a constructor to initialize the fields when creating an object. We also have a method called start that defines the behavior of the car. You can create objects of this class and use them in your program. What are the basic concepts of Java class? Fields or attributes. Fields are variables declared within a class to represent the state or characteristics of objects. They define the data that an object of the class will hold. In the example, model and year are fields. Methods. Methods are functions defined within a class that represent the behavior of objects. They define the operations that can be performed on the objects. In the example, start is a method that prints a message indicating the car is starting. Constructor. A constructor is a special method used for initializing objects when they are created. It has the same name as the class and is called automatically when an object is instantiated. In the example, the car class has a constructor that takes parameters model and year to initialize the fields. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit called class. It helps in hiding the implementation details and exposing only what is necessary. Access modifiers like public, private, protected are used to control the visibility of fields and methods. Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in Java that allows a class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class. It promotes code reuse and the creation of hierarchy of classes. The extends keyword is used to establish inheritance relationships. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their superclasses. It enables a single interface to represent different types. Method overloading and method overriding are common forms of polymorphism. Abstraction. Abstraction is a process of simplifying complex systems by modeling classes based on the essential properties and behaviors. Abstract classes and interfaces are used to achieve abstraction in Java. Access modifiers. Java provides access modifiers like public, private, protected, and default to control the visibility of fields, methods, and classes. They determine from where these members can be accessed. Static members. The static keyword is used to declare members that belong to the class rather than an instance of the class. Static members are shared among all instances of the class. Packages. Packages are used to organize classes into namespaces, providing a way to avoid naming conflicts. The package keyword is used to declare a package at the beginning of a Java file. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.